Here's a quick look at the basics of making a collage. First, you want to pick a color for your background. You're not going to cut this paper, you're going to glue things to it. The bins of scrap paper are a great place to start if you're looking for materials. You can also use magazine pages. You can also find some stickers or some tape or some thread. Cut or tear the paper into the shapes that you want for your collage. Arrange the shapes on your background. When you're happy with the arrangement, then glue all the pieces down. Now add some details. You can use marker or paint, or even sew some stitches right onto the paper. Most importantly, be sure to use your imagination. Now that you're done, it's time to reflect on your work. So be sure to post a picture of it on Seesaw. Tell us where you got your inspiration from. What was the hardest part? What are you most proud of? I can't wait to see what you create.